This is the O-Cedar mop and bucket set. I like that it's easy to put together. So a lot of other sets that I've had have multiple pieces that you have to screw in. This is actually a telescopic pole. There's two sections that expand, and so you can lock it in place at whatever height you want. So it's customizable in that way. So this is what it looks like fully extended, which is nice. It has a nice finish to it, nice colors. And this mop head, you can see it's very soft and thick. And you can easily take it off of here and you just throw it in the wash when you're done cleaning. This is the bucket. It looks like a standard mop bucket. You fill it with water, dip your mop in, and this is really neat. My kids love this. When you put it in here, it wrings it out for you. And you use this pedal right here with your foot and you hold the pole loosely and it spins it. So you can pump it however many times, depending on how wet or dry you want the mop, but it wrings it out for you so you don't have to manually do that, which is really nice. I really like the thickness of the mop because I feel like it cleans really well that way and it picks up a lot of things. Even just using water, it's very effective, but you can use whatever cleaning solution you want. Just add it to the water and it's easy to clean. It's big, it's easy to dry out and clean and then store it dry. And yeah, it's a good buy. I like the big handle here. It's easy to carry when you're cleaning various places in the house. But yeah, definitely if you're in the need of a new mop, this is a definite good option.